Tuesday signed a collaboration deal with Baringo County government on, among others, promotion of direct use of geothermal in farming and manufacturing, as well as industrial parks. Geothermal Development Company MD Engineer Jared Othieno says steam would directly be used in fish ponds, greenhouses, milk, pasteurization and laundry services.
Kenya has mainly utilized geothermal steam for electricity generation, with little done for direct use. The Geothermal Development Company, which has so far drilled 4 geothermal wells in the Baringo Silali geothermal block, has signed a collaboration deal with Baringo County government to, among others, explore the direct use of geothermal steam in greenhouses, fish ponds, milk pasteurization, laundry and tourism activities. This is expected to involve the local communities and support the achievement of the government's Big Four agenda.
The government seeks to achieve food security by increasing large-scale production of staple foods. The move is expected to increase by a significant amount the level of crop production in the country. Greenhouses and fish ponds heated using geothermal energy will complement the food security agenda.
Borrowing from some developed countries whose economies are hinged on industrial parks, Engineer Othieno said GDC and Baringo County would spearhead development of geothermal-powered industrial parks in the area.
GDC and Baringo County will collaborate in, among other areas, marketing of geothermal energy technology, geothermal direct use feasibility studies, investments in geothermal energy technology, and development of geothermal-powered industrial parks.
In that very region, we have started to map. And in our county, we have mapped and dissected into almost 9 as industrial, economic hubs.
In Kenya, there are a few direct use applications with a health spa in Olkaria and Baringo, crop dryers at Eburu, greenhouse heating at Oserian and water harvesting at both Eburu and Suswa. Betty Kiptum, Prime Edition.